Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipe. In this video, we are going to learn on how to assign a new column in a pandas data frame. So this is my code snippet. I have copied this code and I pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. So many times while doing data analysis, you need to add a new column. Based this, you can also say this is a feature engineering in which you create a new column using the previous columns or using the previous for example your data point contains length, breadth and height. Now you need to add a new column named volume, so you will use this previous columns in order to create a new feature named volume. So this is where this comes into play. So I've defined a function over here. These are two general print statements. In order to avoid unnecessary warnings, I imported warnings and I filtered them using the ignore function. Now I've used this pandas library, uh, import pandas as PD. Now I'm creating an empty data frame df pd.data frame. Now I need to add a new column into my empty data frame. So this is the general method to add a new column. You just write the data frame name and under the square bracket you pass the name of the new column that you want to create in the form of string. So student name string, and after that is equal to should be given by a list of the data points that you want to add. So my list of data frame contains John, Steve and Sarah. Now after that I printed my data frame, print df.assign. Now I also, now corresponding to each student, I also want to assign marks. So df.assign marks equal to 71, 82, 89. This I am using this assign function. I could have also created a new column under the same and by using the same function. For example, df marks, and then I could have passed 71, 82 and 92 respectively. So after that print state, I'm using again two print statements. So this will print the the new data frame for me. So let me run this code. So you can see the first contains student name John, Steve, Sarah, and the second contain student name as well as the marks that I assigned to them. I told you again, I could have also used the same function, that is the same method df, then passing the name assign in string format, then 71, 82 and 89. But since it was a numerical input, I should not use this column sorry this commas in order to this yes in this commas in order to input 71, 82 and 89. This was all about code. So this was all about code in this video. For more industry relevant projects, you can visit our website. You can also visit our website for more code recipes and or our YouTube channel. In case you want customized code and you don't find it over here, you can use this click here function and you can submit your request. So thank you, and the codes of this video will be available in the description below in the video.